Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find the Topstep promo codes which are 100% working in 2025. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your mobile application and you need to open your web browser. Over here in your web browser, simply search for Topstep promo code 2025. Now, when you search for this query, you are going to find a bunch of different websites that provides you the latest promo codes for Topstep. Sometimes if you are using the Edge web browser in your mobile device, you are also going to find the latest working promo codes list here in the top section. So you can just copy the codes from here and then go to your Topstep account and paste the promo code in order to get the discount. Or what you can do is you can simply tap on any of the websites that you see over here. For example, if I tap on the simplycodes.com website, here you will see a bunch of different coupon codes and the promo codes which are available as of July 2025. Now remember, these coupon codes are for limited time only, so you need to check the requirements and the duration here before applying it. So you need to select which type of promo code you want to copy. So let's say I want to get this 35% off coupon code. So this is Monday 35. So you need to copy it from here, then go to your Topstep account. In the promo code section, you need to paste this promo code and see if it is working or not. Most of the time the codes are going to work, but if you see the problem in getting the code, you can come back here on this page, and as you can see, you will have the options of getting bunch of different codes here. Like we have trade 7656, so you can try applying these and see if these are working or not. So you can keep on trying on different websites and you are going to get bunch of different codes which you can apply and it will work. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.